In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload data in Zoho CRM. Whether you're transitioning from another CRM or updating your existing data, understanding how to effectively import data into Zoho CRM can make a world of difference in how you manage your customer relationships. Let's break this down into simple, manageable steps. First, it's crucial to prepare your data file properly. Depending on your preference or existing files, you can use CSV, XLS, XLSX, or VCF formats. Ensure your data is clean with no blank rows or special formatting that might confuse the system. The first row of your file should consist of column headers, which Zoho CRM will use to match fields within its database. All required fields, such as lead last name, must be complete to avoid errors during the import process. For any fields that involve multiple selections, use semicolons to separate choices. When working with checkboxes, you'll need to use true or false, or you can use 1 for true and 0 for false. Once your file is ready, navigate to the target module within your Zoho CRM. This could be leads, contacts, or deals, depending on where you want the data to reside. You'll find an option to import or import module. Click on it, and you're ready to upload your file. When you upload your file, make sure to select the UTF-8 encoding to ensure all characters are accurately represented. If you have defined multiple layouts within a module, choose the most appropriate one for your data. Next, you'll have to choose the import mode. If you aim to add entirely new data, select Add as New. When the objective is to update existing records, Update Only is your choice. This requires matching via record ID or a unique identifier like email. The Both option allows adding and updating simultaneously, and you can choose to skip over any updates that involve empty cells. Mapping fields is a crucial step. You can do this manually, or use the Auto Map feature to streamline the process. If you realize that some fields don't exist in Zoho yet, there's an option to create them on the fly. Importantly, you can assign default values to unmapped mandatory fields to prevent any errors during the import. Zoho CRM also offers advanced options, which can be particularly useful for files with fewer than 10,000 rows. You can assign owners using assignment rules, trigger specific workflows or automation, and even set up follow-up tasks. If you prefer to review imported data before it's finalized, manual lead approval is available. Once you've reviewed and configured all options, click on Finish to initiate the import. For larger datasets or when workflows are involved, the task may process asynchronously, so don't worry if it takes a little time. After the import is completed, Zoho CRM provides a summary report showing the number of successful imports versus failures. The report will also indicate reasons for any failed imports, so you can correct these issues and re-import the problematic data. And that's how you upload data in Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has made your data management tasks